Number 10. If 4x plus 2 equals 12, what is the value of 16x plus 8? There's a little trick to something that they do on the SAT. I'm going to show you this two ways. I'm going to show you the way that will work on any problem that is similar to this. And then I'm going to show you a trick to do this particular sort of setup that they have here. The way that will always work, no matter what this secondary thing is to use this equation to solve for x and then plug it in over here. That will always work. So that's the first way we're going to do this. And if you're saying, Alyssa, what other way would we do this? Oh, just hang on. We've got another way. So 4x plus 2 equals 12. I want to undo what's been done to x in order to solve for it. X has been multiplied by 4, and then 2 was added. So we go in reverse order. We start at the end. We go backwards. So I'm going to undo that adding of 2 first. So I'm going to subtract 2 because that's the opposite. I do it to both sides because it's an equation. We got to keep things balanced. It's like a seesaw. Keep it balanced. So on the left, I still have that 4x because the 2's cancel out. On the right, 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, next step. 4 is being multiplied by x, or x is being multiplied by 4. I want to undo that, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So on the left, I just have x, and on the right, I have 10 divided by 4, which is 2.5 or 2.5, either way. Or you can say 5 halves, whatever you want to do. All of these are the same thing. 5 halves, 2.5, 2.5. Okay, now I have the value of x. I want to know what 16x plus 8 is. Okay, so first I'm going to plug in my 2.5 right there. 16 times 2.5 is 40. If you're wondering, yes, I just did that in my head. The way you do that is you go, the way I do it is I do 16 times 2 is 32. Keep that number in my head. 16 times a half. What's half of 16? That's 8. 32 plus 8 is 40. If you're interested in learning mental math, that's my method. I'm sure there's others. Okay, so that's 40 plus 8 or 48, and that's B. So that method absolutely works. It will get you the answer, 100%. But. We're going to remember 48B. That's our answer. That's what we're going for. Okay, here is the little trick. On the SAT, there's 2 versions of this problem that tend to show up. There's the version where it says, if given equation, what is the value of x? Or, like this one, if given an equation, what is the value of another equation? 9 times out of 10, if not more, when it's in this scenario where it's not x and it's a given equation, you can skip the step of solving for x. I've only seen one situation, honestly. I've seen so many where you can skip the step of solving. I've only seen one where this trick I'm about to show you didn't work. Again, 9 times out of 10, at least, you can take that first equation, in this case 4x plus 2, we'll forget about the 12 for just a second. You can take this one and multiply it by something to get to that other equation. It's all the time. They do this so often. And if you know this trick and you can do it accurately and you're confident that you can do it accurately, it's faster. So I go, 4x plus 2, 16x plus 8. Well, if I multiply 4x times 4, I would get to 16x. If I multiply 2 times 4, would I get to 8? Yeah, 2 times 4 is 8. So it's this whole thing times 4 gets me to there. Okay, so you know what that means? It means that if this times 4 equals my equation, then this part times 4 equals my answer. And write that all out so you can really see that. And I want to know what 16x plus 8 equals. So I'm multiplying this side by 4. That gets me to here. This side by 4, because I multiply both sides by 4 to keep it equal, gets me to there. And what is 12 times 4? 48. B. So again, very, very uncommon that this doesn't work. You just have to verify that this first equation can be multiplied, that all parts of it when multiplied by a single number come out to this. In this case, it would be 4. 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times 2 is 8. Then you just multiply that side by that same value, 12 times 4, B, 48. Again, if this does not make sense to you, do it the other way. It's fine. Getting it right is more important than saving a few seconds. If you can do it either way, this is true with any of the questions on this test. If you know more than one way to do the problem, confident that you will get the right answer either way, do the one that takes you less time. If you have two methods and one you are confident you'll get the right answer and the other you're not really sure you remember how to do it, always do it the way you're confident in. Getting it right is more important. But if you can do a way that's quicker, choose the quicker way. So yeah, answer here, either way you go, is B. Circle it one last time. Nope, didn't circle it accurately. B, 48. Hey guys, this video was helpful or useful in any way. Please feel free to let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, even buy me a coffee if you're so inclined. Links for that down below as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.